That thing has got to be like 5 pounds. Oh, snap, I snagged him by accident. Did I snag him? It's a pretty fish. Woo-hoo-hoo! What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys don't know, we're here at we're at Pyramid Lake, not Lake Pyramid. There's a difference. Apparently, Lake Pyramid is in Arizona or Nevada. It's somewhere it's not here. Don't know how much they put in, but they put in some trout. Usually, like the past couple of years, or maybe not the past couple of years, but the past few seasons, they've been putting in Mount Lassen trout. So we're here to try to test out and see if they really got some Mount Lassens in there. To any and everybody that's been asking, this rod right here always gets a lot of comments and questions. This is an Eagle Claw. I bought it from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was. For the longest, I had the clearance sticker on here for a long time. But I got that paired with a Bass Pro Shop Microlight Elite. Yeah, it's a 2-pound test. I always run 2-pound tests. Anybody who don't believe it, like, it is not uncommon for people to use 2-pound tests for trout and panfish. Like, everybody know, you go 2-pound, you go lighter, you get more bites. You just gotta fight the fish. That's all. I apologize in advance for the wind, but as of right now, the goal is just to get down here, see if we can catch some. Pretty sure we'll see a lot of people down there. Man, I tell you what, the water is looking a lot better. I haven't been bass fishing here because the algae was real bad, but right now it's looking good. Guess we're gonna post up right here. Get in where you fit in. Let's go with that yellow magic. The slug. I saw one right here. With that sink. Got our drag set. Try to get a couple right here. Ooh, grassy as hell. Very windy. Don't see why there wouldn't be any trout over here. So sketchy to fish, but all the other areas are pretty much sold up. Oh yeah. Yo, I think those are striper. Let's see what's up. Yeah? Really? No. Damn.
Over there, bro. You can see it doing it, but they'll just like
Disappear.
hit bait or whatever.
Like within casting distance?
No.
Yo, see, look at this. This is oh, that's a trout. I thought that was a bass at first.
That's trout right there.
Yeah, I thought it was a bass. It's a nice trout. Man. Sheesh. Where there's one, there's gotta be more. They put them in bigger this time. The huge one cruising right now. Oh, there he is. Right there in front of you. In front of you. That thing has got to be like 5 pounds. Oh, snaps. I snagged him by accident. Did I snag him? Uh-oh. I don't know. But yeah. Can't tell where I got him. Is he in the mouth? Oh, right on the chin. It's a pretty fish. Woo-hoo-hoo! Don't have a net. See if we could get him in here. You go? Oh, I thought you had one too. You think I should let him go since I kind of foul hooked him by the chin? Nah, it's right in the chin. I'll release him. Yeah. I just want to kind of not grab the fish and just grab the hook. Dang, this thing is thick as hell. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Fun fight. You know, I didn't know what they were at first, but at once I had one, I was like, man, I wish I would have been targeting these. Like those are. Like, I got a freaking little bitty bass.
There you go. A little cooler, and I just started giving them my white fish. And they left it cool.
Definitely. Yeah, I'm moving on, so you can go ahead and cast right there if you want to.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Anthony.
Jacob.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, right. Nice to meet you. All right, so what's your name, bro? Are you over there? Yeah. Yep, you too.
It's our first time here.
Oh, yeah?
We always go to Lake Gregory.
Oh, yeah?
You did.
Which video did you watch? Was it a trout video or a bass video?
Fishing here.
Yeah, yeah.
I think you were going for. I don't think you were going for something else the day before, and then you came for trout.
Yeah. Caught it.
Caught it by the rocks. And I was like,
Yep.
oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting to catch one on a swim jerk, but I was going for bass.
Yeah.
So
And then you caught a trout on the jerk bait.
I was like, might as well. There got to be some trout in here. I didn't realize they stocked them. So.
Like just to catch and release like Gregory. That's where we usually go.
Oh yeah.
But
I saw they stocked Gregory, but I didn't end up going because I was working. And by the time I got back in town so I could go, it was like, you know, it was like already a week or two had already gone by. So like they probably hit it pretty hard.
they actually stocked it Thursday.
This Thursday?
Yeah.
Damn.
I know some people who went on Thursday. They say they killed it.
Yeah. Do you know what they stock in there?
They stocked it was a DFG stock.
DFGs.
1,000 pounds.
Okay.
But there were some better models in there. I saw some pictures at least 1.5 to 2 pounds.
Okay.
This is a Amazon special.
Pissy fun?
Yep. Oh, yes, it is.
That is-
Carbon X?
Huh?
The Carbon X?
Yeah. I got that reel.
I know you do.
Oh,
Oh, wait, no. You have the Carbon X? I thought you have a PC from something else.
no, I got the Carbon X 1000. Is that what it is?
That is, I think this was the 500.
Oh, okay.
We have the 1000 on the other reel. I love this reel.
Hey, see you, Robert.
Hey, bro.
Good talking to you, man.
Hey, what's your channel?
It's called The Seasick Fisherman.
The C6?
Yes, Seasick Fisherman. So it's like, instead of spelling the word sea, it's like the, and then it's the letter C, sick fisherman. All one word. It's on Instagram, TikTok, all of that, you know.
I'll hit you up.
Yeah, for sure. We need to go fishing, man. Oh, damn, I just got... A bobber went down. About...
Bobber went down?
Yeah, but it didn't go down like a trout hit it. It's like real quick. Probably like one of the little guppy bass. Little small bass, maybe.
Maybe we can get past this fence right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, exactly what I thought it was. This is what it was. This little thing right here.
Fuck yeah.
Hitting my bobber.
Yeah, a little smallmouth.
Damn. Get a bunch of these little bass. I guess I'm catching something. Getting the wrong fish. Oh, damn. So it looks like yellow is working, but yellow's working for the little bass. Have yet to like get a trout to bite, but I'm going yellow on yellow, yellow bait, yellow rod. This is that eagle claw y'all be asking about. This is not a personal. This rod is so cheap. It is pretty though, I can't even lie. We're gonna do 2 more casts right here, and then we're gonna go pick up our stuff and keep it pushing. The only bites that I've been getting are from little, not even schooly bass, like 2 to 3 inch bass. It's the only thing that I've been getting hit over here. Oh, I got a trout. There we go. Only problem is I don't have a net. Nice one. Shoot. Right when I was giving up. Thank you. Had to pray this fish up one time. Woo! Got one, bro. Yellow one. The one I showed you. Pretty fish. Catch a cook coming y'all way. So we finally got one on the board. One thing to know, if you ever forget your stringer, you just get a stick. This will do. At least until we find a stringer to put it on. But it's gonna work for now. Man, if it wasn't so many people over by the ramp renting boats, I would go over there. But it was people-y as hell. Show y'all the catch. There you go, right there. This is gonna taste good.